winter steals the light of day. Another year comes rolling in, while city noise begins to spin. Sirens wail and engines moan. I count the seconds all alone. Then clinking glasses fill the air, and suddenly the new year's there. But in my heart I still can't hear that steady rhythm draw near. The gallop through the open land, the mountain winds, the softer sand. Old time moves on and roads divide. That echo never leaves my side. The hoofbeats of a younger time still ride the ridges of my mind. The skyline hums with neon dreams, but nothing's ever what it seems. I close my eyes and drift away to where the hills knew my name. No countdowns, no champagne, just stars above and summer rain. A world that whispered soft and low. With every step my horse would go. Yes, in my soul they still remain. Those hoofbeats pounding through the plain. The scent of grass, the eagles cry, the endless blue of prairie sky. Though I may walk these crowded streets, my heart still dances to that beat. The hoofbeats of a time long gone still pull me gently riding on. Fireworks light up the town. I'll raise a glass and close my eyes to chase the wind where freedom lies. For hoofbeats never truly die. They ride the soul, they touch the sky.